When I first got into accounting back in high school, I wanted to become this successful business executive. Cliche, right? After realizing my dreams of being the next big CEO weren't going to happen overnight, I gave up on those grand visions and told myself, well, I guess I can just focus on learning the number sides of the business. So that's what I did. 12 years later, I worked my way up from a $58,000 entry-level accountant to a $120,000 accounting manager. And I even did something pretty cool. I built a stable, fulfilling career out of it. So yes, today we're going to talk about how you can get your first job as an accountant in 2025. There's going to be a lot of information in this video, so if you're serious about breaking into accounting and landing that first accounting position, I suggest you watch the full video. This video is going to be split up into 5 sections. College versus alternative programs like CourseCareers. Which should you choose? Different accounting specializations and which one might be right for you. Where to start learning accounting skills. How to land your first accounting job. And finally, timeline to getting hired into your first accounting role. There are many ways to break into the accounting field. The first way is to go the traditional college route and get a 4-year accounting degree. The second way is to use alternative programs like CourseCareers that focus on practical, job-ready skills. As someone who went to college, I have to be honest, if I were starting over today, I'd seriously consider the alternative path. But there are important things to think about. When I first decided on accounting, I went straight to Texas A&M for a traditional accounting degree. While college gave me a solid theoretical foundation and access to internships, it also meant 4 years of time and significant student debt. Because I lacked real-world experience early on, even with my degree, I struggled to understand how accounting actually worked in businesses. The moral of the story here is, if you want to become a CPA eventually, you'll likely need college credits. But if you want to get into bookkeeping, payroll, billing and collections, or other entry-level accounting roles quickly, programs like CourseCareers can get you job-ready skills in just about 4 to 8 weeks instead of 4 years. Now that we've covered the education path decision, let's talk about which area of accounting you should focus on. Should you focus on bookkeeping, tax preparation, or payroll? At least here in the United States, you can build a pretty successful career in any of those areas. I do general accounting and financial reporting, although I have experience across multiple specializations. In terms of career growth, it doesn't really matter which specialization you pick initially because you can always expand your skills later, but there are some important things to consider. The biggest consideration is the barrier to entry for each specialization. Bookkeeping has the lowest cost of entry. You should just need basic computer skills, attention to detail, and knowledge of accounting software like QuickBooks. You can start learning and practicing right away without any special certifications. Tax preparation, on the other hand, often requires certification to prepare returns professionally. During my career, I became familiar with tax prep, and let me tell you, staying updated on changing tax laws is no joke. You'll need to invest time in continuing education every year. Payroll is somewhere in the middle. It requires understanding of employment laws, tax withholdings, and payroll systems, but it's not as complex as tax preparation. Another thing to consider is seasonality. Tax preparers often work intensively during tax season, but may have lighter workloads other times of the year. Bookkeepers and payroll specialists typically have more consistent year-round work. The documentation and learning resources vary too. Bookkeeping has excellent online resources and software tutorials. Tax preparation has extensive IRS publications, but they can be dense and hard to navigate. So in terms of getting started, it really doesn't matter which specialization you pick. You can succeed in bookkeeping, payroll, or tax prep. Just choose based on your interest and the type of work environment you prefer. So where should you start learning these accounting skills? This one's challenging because there are so many different ways to learn accounting. You can do a quick Google search and find tons of options. But if I were starting over today, here's how I'd approach it. First, I'd check out CourseCareers' free AI career counselor to help determine if accounting is really the right fit for me. They also offer free intro courses that give you a taste of what accounting career is actually like day to day. There are also free resources like the QuickBooks Pro Advisor certification course if you want to focus on bookkeeping software skills. If you prefer books and more traditional learning, there are excellent accounting textbooks and free courses from places like Khan Academy that cover the fundamentals. In my 100% personal opinion, the resource that helped me learn accounting the most was getting hands-on experience through my internship at Hill Corporate Energy. I learned more about the real-world accounting in those 2 summers than in most of my college courses. There's something about working with actual company data, real deadlines, and experienced accountants that accelerates your learning. But internships aside, the absolute best way to learn accounting is to get your hands dirty with actual accounting work. Start with practice problems, work through case studies, or even volunteer to help a small business with their books. These don't have to be paid positions initially. The important thing is you will encounter real accounting challenges, get frustrated trying to balance books that don't balance months and have to figure out solutions on your own. Those growing pains are crucial for developing problem-solving skills that employers actually value. And to land your first accounting job, you'll need to demonstrate these practical skills through examples and stories from your learning experience. Which brings me to my next point. Here's exactly how I approach landing my first accounting job if I were starting over today. First, learn the basics of common accounting software. QuickBooks, Excel, and maybe Xero or Sage. Build familiarity with these tools because every employer expects you to know them. When I first got my first job back in 2016, I had an internship experience. But today, I think having demonstrable software skills is non-negotiable if you're coming from a non-traditional background. After you land that first job, your resume and experience do most of the talking. But for the first position, you need to show that you can actually do the work. Next, learn accounting best practices and integrate them into any projects or case studies you work on. Understand generally accepted accounting principles, month-end close procedures, and basic financial statement preparation. The IRS has specific documentation on tax compliance, and QuickBooks has excellent resources on bookkeeping best practices. Familiarizing yourself with these standards shows employers you understand professional accounting requirements. Build your resume to highlight any relevant experience, even if it's from coursework, volunteer work, or managing your own finances. Link to any certifications you've earned, like QuickBooks Pro Advisor certification. Once your resume is ready, here's the key strategy. Don't just apply online and hope for the best. The job market today requires a more strategic approach. Apply to every relevant position you can find. Remote, local, entry-level, internships, even temporary or part-time roles you're not completely interested in. Here's why that matters. First, it's a numbers game. The more you apply, the higher your chances of getting interviews. Second, having multiple opportunities creates competition among employers, which works in your favor. I can't tell you how many times during interviews I've been asked, how are your other interviews going? Are you looking anywhere else? You want to be able to answer that question confidently because it shows your value and creates urgency for employers to make decisions. But here's what most people don't do that would make landing a job much easier. Build relationships at target companies before you apply. This timeline is based on my experience and what I'd do if I were starting fresh in accounting today. Month 1, learn accounting fundamentals, basic bookkeeping, understanding debits and credits, financial statement basics. If you're using CourseCareers, you can complete their entire program in 4 to 8 weeks. In months 2 to 3, get hands-on practice with accounting software. Work through case studies, maybe volunteer to help a small business or nonprofit with basic bookkeeping to gain real-world experience. Month 4, build your resume, highlighting your new skills. Get certified in QuickBooks or similar software. Start networking with accounting professionals on LinkedIn. At the 4 to 5 month mark, start applying for jobs aggressively while continuing to build relationship at companies you want to work for. If you can dedicate about 15 to 20 hours per week to learning and job searching, you could realistically land your first accounting job within 4 to 6 months, especially if you focus on entry-level positions like accounts payable, billings and collections, or junior bookkeeper roles. The key is being strategic about it. Most people make the mistake of just applying online and waiting. Instead, reach out to hiring managers on LinkedIn, attend virtual accounting meetups, and focus on companies that hire entry-level candidates regularly. Remember, accounting is always in demand because every business needs someone to manage their financial records. Unlike some fields where jobs are scarce, accounting offers stable opportunities across virtually every industry. Alright, that was a pretty comprehensive overview of breaking into accounting. I hope you found something useful in here. The accounting field has been incredibly good to me. Starting at $58,000, working my way up to $120,000 over 12 years with opportunities for remote work, job security, and potential to even reach $200,000 plus as a CFO if that's your goal. If you have other advice for people, try breaking into accounting. Drop it in the comments below. If you have specific questions about getting started, leave those too, and I'll try to respond. The most important thing is to remember this. Don't let people tell you you need a 4-year degree to succeed in accounting. While college can be valuable, there are faster, more affordable paths to get the skills employers actually want. Whether you choose college, CourseCareers, or teach yourself, the key is taking action and getting started. The accounting field needs skills professionals, and there's room for you if you're willing to put in the work. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe for more career advice content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.